Hello, hello. What makes a child more resilient than other? Why it is important to help children develop this skill? Stress, frustration, peer pressure, decision making, everyday challenges can affect children's lives, and not just children, our life as adults as well. Life can be stressful, can be very challenging. And children face every day both small or big challenges, and sometimes can be feel overwhelmed. So children need support to develop these skills. Did you notice that? And we have to start an early age developing these skills, because resilience starts with childhood experiences. Have you noticed a child that sometimes he gets frustrated or angry because he wasn't able to finish that puzzle, or maybe he wanted to build something and he couldn't finish, or maybe a child gets angry and starts to cry because he wasn't the first on the line? We need to teach children how to handle these life challenges, and children need support to teach them to cope with these everyday challenges. The way that they react to challenges can affect them, can give them more power, can make them stronger, can make them feel more confident, or put them down, give up easily. So it depends how they think about a situation. Let's say a child has a test and he fails that test. He could say, "Oh, I'm not smart enough. I'm going to get that test." Or he could say, "Next time I know I have to study more. And next time I'm going to be ready. I'm going to be prepared to take this test." So that can make us adults and children the same, either feel angry, feel nervous, feel embarrassed, feel anxious, or on the other side, make us stronger, move through after a disappointment, lift up ourselves, and keep going. Now I'm going to give you some ideas on how you can help your child. The first idea, it is to help your child to talk about their thoughts. But don't ask them the same question that we ask. What are you thinking? Don't ask them like this. Ask them, what is your little head says to you? What is in your head? Or what are you saying to yourself about this situation? Another idea, it is to play games. This is very good. This is a very good activity to do with your child. Ask your child, let's say, if someone says to you that you are ugly, how do you react? What are you saying? And someone, let's say, if someone pushes you, punches you, what are you doing? This activity will help the child to think about their action, how to handle a situation. And then, after what he finishes, it's your job to make sure that he will think positive about this situation and he will take the good action to solve that problem, not create more problems. Another idea, it will be to say to your child stories when you was a child and how you face those obstacles, how you face challenges, how you face difficulties in your life. Children loves to hear this from us parents, because we parents are the trusted advisors, and they love this. It makes feel them better to know that even you was in a tough situation, but you made it. Always has to be a positive, and you made it, and you didn't left yourself put down because of that situation. Or you can read them stories about famous children, or their superhero, or I don't know, read them stories how children face their obstacles. Why it is necessary to help children develop these skills? What are the benefits? Well, when a child is resilient, he will move through life's ups and downs easily. He will handle fear. He will move through failure, disappointment, mistakes. He will know to stand up peer pressure, which is very important. It will help him to move through changes that might happen in his life. Let's say he has to change a school, or he has to move, change house. As I said, resilience can be taught. And if you want to give your child this gift, I can help you. I can help your child with fun, engaging, an easy to learn program that will help your child to face disappointment and bounce back. It will help him to go for it in life, even the things are not going his way. And these skills is going to be beneficial for the rest of his life. So you can contact me on Messenger, or you can go on my website. Hopefully this was useful for you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye!